Are you ready to share your creativity with the world? Uploading YouTube short from your PC is easier than you think. In this quick guide, we will walk you through the simple steps to get your videos online and start connecting with viewers. Whether you have a funny sketch, a captivating tutorial, or a memorable moment to share, we will show you how to make it happen. I'll let your videos stay hidden. Let's get your content out there and start building your audience today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to upload YouTube shorts from your PC. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into youtube.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So this is my account as you can see. If you have just want to create, you click over here and you start create here and upload your video. Also we have the option of go live and create post if you want, as you can see. So right now all I have to do is just click over here as I said, and I will show you how you can do that. Firstly, we have to create a vertical video that's under 60 seconds. Sign in into YouTube and click the camera icon with a plus sign to upload your video. Then select your file and ensure you add a catchy title, description, and relevant tags including hashtag shorts. Adjust the visibility settings to your preference. Then click publish to share your content with the world. It's that easy to showcase your creativity and connect with new viewers, as you can see. So now I will show you the step by step how you can do that. I will just click over create and I will click over upload video. Then you will find other page, which is this one, as you can see. Right now I will show you how you can upload your short video. You have just to click over select files. You have drag and drop videos files to upload. Your videos will be private until you publish them. I will just click over select files. Right now I will search for my video. It's just scrolling down and here we have my video. Then I will just select it here. As you can see, you have just run out to follow the steps to get started with this one. Firstly, we have here details. As you can see, you have just to add your title, as you can see. So right now you have just to follow these 4 steps, as you can see, such as details, video elements, checks, visibility. You have just to add a title, descriptions, and here we have creating a link, as you can see. And you have just right now to create a vertical video that's under 60 seconds. Sign into YouTube and click the camera icon with a plus sign to upload your video. Select your file and ensure you add a catchy title, description, and relevant tags including hashtag shorts. Adjust the visibility settings to your preference, then click publish to share your content with the world. It's that easy to showcase your creativity and connect with new viewers, as you can see. So we have just to follow the steps, as you can see, and you click over select files, and then you have to select the one you want, and then you click over open, and you have to follow these 4 steps, which is details, video elements, then we have checks, visibility, and then you get started. Then we have also here various options here, for example shorts. If you want to just create shorts as I did, you have just to click over upload videos. If you want to also create videos, you click over upload videos. We have also here live. If you want to set up a live stream, and then we have post. If you want to create posts, the type is the type, and the post, the visibility, restriction, the date, and other tags. Then we have also here playlists. If you want to just create a playlist as well. Then we have here promotions, promote your channel and business on YouTube, and we have here podcast as well. As you can see, you can just click on new podcast and you get started, as you can see. So we have also here, if you want to create a click over here to upload videos, go live, create posts, new playlist, and new podcast, right? Then we have here analytics and content. As you can see, then we have the dashboard to get started. You have just to upload videos to get started. Then we have here also comments, subtitles, copyright. Then we have also here for earn. So let's start discovering the option of earn, as you can see. So we have here start your earning journey, earn income by connecting with your fans, and gain access to support forums and creator tools. We have here memberships, as you can see, surpass shopping, eligibility, and we have various things to get notified. You have just to click over here and you get started. We have here continue to grow, and we have various things that you have to know right now. Then you have here customization, audio library, as you can see. Then you have settings here and send feedback as well. Also about, for example, if you want to just get started with live, you can just click over here and you get started live, as you can see. and here we have in the left stream webcam manage and other things, as you can see. All right. And also, if you want to create posts here, you have just to get started, and you filter here. If you want to type visibility, then we have here post type visibility restriction, and you select here the date and also comments and likes. Then we have here the playlist, as you can see, and how you can create podcast as well. You click over new podcast, and you have just to create a new podcast through Submit RSS feed. We'll just click over create new podcast, and we'll add a title here, add a description. We have thumbnail here, upload a square picture that represents your podcast. We have here put your visibility if you want to put it public, and we have here thumbnail, as you can see. If you want to also here default, and we have also here add videos if you want. Podcast is a type of playlist, and if you want to just here select the videos, and then you click over done. All right, then you click over create once you're done, and you get started with this one. So for example, I will select here private, and I will just add a description. I will just here add a title, for example, add a description. Then here we have thumbnail, you can just select it. Upload file if you want, and you upload whatever you want, as you can see. Then you click over open and you start a podcast. For example, I will select this one. Then you have just to upload your file and you get started with the podcast. Alright, also we have here the option of posts if you want to create a post or live or shorts or videos. Then here we have it, as you can see. Also we have here create if you want to just upload videos, go live, create post, new playlist, new podcast, and here we have if you want to just some help, you click over here and you ask whatever you want here, as you can see. If you want to upload YouTube video, tool shot, manage channel settings, create YouTube shorts if you want, we'll just click over create YouTube shorts like that. And here we have it, as you can see. You have just to scroll down and you know how you can do that, as you can see. You have various things that you have to know. Alright, so YouTube Shorts is a powerful tool for creators looking to share their content and connect with a broader audience. By focusing on engaging with concise videos and staying consistent with your upload, you can tap into current trends and enhance your visibility. Remember to engage with your viewers and utilize analytics to refine your strategy. With the right approach, YouTube Shorts can significantly boost your reach and help you build a loyal community around your creativity. So let's get started today and let your unique voice shine. So this is it, and this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.